Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be the unboxing of the 2018 February Birchbox. I do obviously get Ipsy now, but I do have a friend that gets Birchbox and she suggested that I try this as well. She said it's pretty similar to Ipsy, so I thought I would try it, see what I get. I always thought that this was more of like, I don't know, body stuff like face lotions, body lotions, hair stuff, you know, that kind of thing, not so much makeup. So we'll see. I really don't know what I'm gonna get in this first box, I guess. So let's open her up. Okay, ooh. Oh, was there something else in here? Oh my gosh, there is. What is it? Oh, okay, so you guys, when I did my little like sign up thing, it allowed me to pick something free out. And I did, I picked the Bobbi Brown Smoky Eye Mascara. So this is Bobbi Brown Smoky Eye Mascara. And, ooh, man. Ooh, I like this. Okay, so that's a really nice applicator there. But that's gonna come on really, really well. And then it came with something else, which maybe this is just information on it. What is this? Shine On. How do you open this sucker? Okay. Shine On. Oh my gosh. Oh, you guys, it came with a cute little mirror. That is adorable, a Birchbox mirror. I love that. It's like a little purse mirror. That is awesome. Cool, cool. Okay, and then it came with my invoice, I guess. All right, so here's the box. This is cute. Yes. Okay, let's open this little guy up here. Call him Phil. Come on, Phil. What do you got going on in here? Why I gave him a name, I don't know, but looks like a Phil, right? Really feminine Phil. Ah, this is crazy. This is so exciting that I have to actually like rip this box open. Oh my goodness. Okay, I got it. I don't know which way, like this maybe? Oh my God, there's another box inside. Cool, okay, so this is the box that it came in. I don't know if this is supposed to be like the United States or what that is, but anyways, okay. Oh, this is a really cute box, you guys, I'm not gonna lie, I like this. Okay. Well, this is cute, just like a little saying on it. Okay, so there's a little saying here, and then it has the actual items in my box, and then it must be what the retail value of each item is. So before I read that, I wanna start and see what's in here. We'll go with the biggest thing first here, which is like a sponge. Okay, so this is a Daily Concepts Your Facial Mini Scrubber with Smart Technology. So this is gentle, travel size, makeup remover, exfoliating face scrubber. Okay, so that is awesome. Should I open it? Face it, you're beautiful, it says. Oh, cool, okay. So it has like a little pocket there for my hand. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is gonna be amazing. I don't know why, I just smelled it. It doesn't really smell like anything, but this is really nice. So it's just like a little face cloth with a little pad. Okay, so I'm gonna put this in, actually no, maybe I'll use this tonight before bed. I was thinking I'd put it in the shower, but I think tonight before bed I'll try this sucker out. Okay, so these things are really small, I wanna say, you guys. I don't know what I was expecting. I guess these are all just samples. I guess I was expecting bigger sized items for some reason, I have no idea. So this is the Balance Me Wonder Eye Cream. So I'm guessing this is an under eye cream. Gently tap and smooth our triple action eye cream around the eyes to address dark shadows, firm skin, and reduce puffiness. So Balance Me, the full size of this is $29. And I guess, let's go back to this. The full size of this is $8. Is this not the full size? Like, is there a bigger one? I don't know. Maybe this is the $8 full-sized one. I have no idea. Let me know. Do you guys know? Okay, so this is the under eye cream. Ooh, started coming out right away. Oh my gosh, that was a lot for how little is in here. I was just gonna tap a little on my hand, but this gave me like the full amount. It smells really good. I would put it under my eyes right now, you guys, but I have makeup on, darn it. Okay, well, whatever. So I like this. This has 99% natural, so that's cool. I will definitely be trying this out tonight after I wash my face. Awesome. Let me wipe that off. Okay. So the next thing in here is R Plus Co. or Arco Park Ave. This is Blowout Balm. Okay, awesome. So this is a little blowout balm for your hair. This, the full size price is I'm sorry, oh my God, it's $80. It's $28. So this is gonna be awesome. I'm guessing you put this in wet hair and then blow dry it. Work through damp hair, blow dry to your heart's content. Sweet. Oh, this is popping out already too. Put a little dab on there. Ooh. It kind of smells like coconutty. That's what I would say anyways. It's really soft, so I will have to use this tomorrow morning when I do my hair. You know what, you guys, maybe I'll do a video tomorrow and just show you guys how I wash my hair and style it using this product. Show you guys how to get volume and that sort of thing. Give this a go. I like it. It's a little bit sticky in my hands. Obviously, it's not meant for your hands. It's meant for your hair, so, you know, whatever. But yeah, so I like that. Yeah, I'll definitely try that tomorrow. Okay, there's 2 more things in my box. Can't really see them in there, can you? Okay, so we have this little guy here. This is MAC, oh my God. An Extreme Dimension 3D Black Lash. Oh my God, what? Look at how little this is, first of all, and I believe this is gonna end up being a mascara. Is this a mascara? Is this a mascara? What the heck? I have never seen a mascara like this before in my life. It's like in a squeeze tube, but it doesn't squeeze. It's like hard. This is nuts. Why I'm smelling it, I don't know, you guys. But this, okay, the applicator, first of all, is awesome. I think this is gonna be a really good mascara. But I do have to say, just from like the things I've gotten out so far, I did not expect everything to be so little and sample sized. With Ipsy, everything is bigger. I mean, yeah, there's samples, but usually it's a little bit bigger than this. This stuff is also puny. But that's okay. Maybe this will be amazing mascara, who knows? So this is the MAC mascara. And then the last thing is Smashbox. I love that brand. This is Always On Gel Liner. This is in the color Fishnet, so black, I'm guessing is what Fishnet means. Again, it's a really tiny little guy, but that's okay. Okay, so this is a gel liner. Oh, look at that fresh tip, you guys. Yeah! Who doesn't like a fresh freaking eyeliner tip? I do. Okay. Ooh, it just glides on. Oh my gosh. You guys. Holy mackerel. Okay, look at that. It's supposed to be a tree, like an apple tree. Do you guys see that? I don't know. Anyways, it glides on so nice. This is a really awesome eyeliner. I love it. Should we see if it smears? Oh my gosh, you guys. It really doesn't even smear that bad. I mean, yeah, it's smearing a little bit, but wow. I was expecting like to do this and it would just like, you know, completely like move, but no, it's staying on really good. Oh my gosh. Like I'm literally touching it, you guys. Look at that. And it's like, yeah, it's smearing, but not very much. That is crazy. So this is an amazing eyeliner. Wow, Smashbox. I really like this. Okay, so let me show you guys what I got in my first Birchbox. And I like everything, I would have to say. Again, I'm a little bit disappointed on the sizes of everything, but that's okay. I mean, for $10, what do you expect, you know? Okay, so I have this little guy, these puppies, ooh, the eyeliner, and then of course I got this free guy right here for signing up. So yeah, like I said, I think I'm gonna do a video maybe for you guys and show you guys how I style my hair, and I'll use this product with it in my little video. But yeah, so this first Birchbox was awesome. I do have to say I like everything I got. Of course, I will have to actually try out the products and see for sure if I like them. But yeah, so I would say I'm definitely gonna stick to Birchbox for a couple more months and see what else I get. I do like this too because Ipsy doesn't come with this. So this tells you the full price of the products, which that Smashbox eyeliner, you guys, 2 thumbs, I like it. All right, well, I hope you guys like this video. Let me know what you guys got in your February Birchbox. And if you guys know a little bit more about Birchbox, do I ever get like full-sized items or is it always sample-sized? Do you guys know, like, do they every now and then give you like a full-sized lip color or something, or, you know, full-size mascara, or is it always just the little ones? Yeah, let me know that. And if you guys have just any other facts or anything for me about Birchbox, I guess I could go online and like Google it and stuff too. But anyway, so I'm a newbie. Let me know.